What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. So recently I got an opportunity to try a Saudi brand with a French name. Yes, a Saudi fragrance house with a French name, and the brand name is Bonor in French. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but this is what Google taught me. But in English it will be like Le Bonheur, and in Arabic it will be like La Bonheur, if I'm not wrong. I'm going to put their website link in my description box. Do check it out and let me know if you know the right pronunciation for this brand name. So first of all, I love the fragrances. I love the products, the scent profiles, quality, blending, presentation, performance, even the pricing. Everything is so good. And by the way, there is a great discount going on their website. So if you are living in Saudi Arabia, check out their website and you can grab some really good discount, and I'm sure you will be able to find something really good for yourself as per your liking. So for me, this was a new name, Le Bonheur. I have never heard of it before, but after a small research I came to know that they are not new and they are in the business for quite some time now. So it was my mistake. So then I did a little bit more research and very carefully I picked 4 fragrances for myself, and I'm loving all of them because all 4 are really great. So in this episode, I'm going to review one of them and then I will review the other 3 later on. So the first one I would like to talk about today is the story, the house of Le Bonheur. And as always, we will start a review with the presentation first. So you will get this perfume in this paper box. You can see the golden printing around the box. You can see the name of the perfume, the story, the brand name, Le Bonheur. You can see the design pattern on these 2 sides, branding on the top of the box, all the ingredient details and manufacturing details here in the bottom. So this is a simple paper box, and once you open the box, you will find the real luxury box. So here you go. This is the main box of the perfume. You will find your perfume in this beautiful box. So the finishing here is something like rubber. It's not leather and it's a little bit heavy, not very heavy, but yeah, got some weight here. This is a metal part here with the name of the brand, Le Bonheur. It's a metallic sticker and you have to lift it up to open the box. So you will find your perfume here in this cutout, and then here in the bottom, once again, you will find all the ingredient details and branding on the top of this box as well. So this is the main box, and now let me show you the bottle. Bottle is really stunning. You will find the brand name here on this metallic sticker here on the side, and then the name of the perfume, the story here with this heavy metallic golden cap with engravings of the brand name Le Bonheur. You can see all the bottle designing and detailing here in this video. So this is about the presentation, and now let's talk about the fragrance. So first of all, this perfume is made by 2 great perfumers. The first one is Mr. Hamid Mirati Kashani. He's very famous, and the second one is once again very famous perfumer Ilyas Edmenidis. I'm trying to say the name right, but I'm not sure if I'm saying it right or not. So really sorry if I butchered the name, but yeah, Mr. Ilyas and Mr. Hamid. These are the 2 perfumers behind this beautiful creation. And let me give you the notes breakdown. Here in the top you will get coconut, basil, grapefruit, olibanum and bergamot. In the middle you will get violet and celery, and then in the base you will get vetiver, there is timber silk, there is ambrox super, patchouli, vanilla, amber and cedar wood. So this is the notes breakdown, and now I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So this perfume is damn good. This is damn good. This is really nice, amazing, and I'm loving it. This one will give you vibes of 2 of my favorite perfumes. The first one is Tiger / Vibrato, and the second one is Bois Imperial from the house of Essential Parfum. I'm sure you guys know about all these 3 perfumes. So yeah, all these 3 perfumes plus there is a lot of other things going on in this perfume, like its own things. So overall, a beautiful blend. So here it opens with a very bright, fizzy grapefruit, fresh and so uplifting. Then you will find a very unique woody note here, a very soft but unique kind of woody note. a touch of minerals, little bit saltiness, and then you will get basil and vetiver in the base. Such a beautiful opening. It's citrusy, it's woody, it's aromatic with a lot of Ambrox super. Ambrox super is something very similar to Ambroxan, but it's more intense, more complex, and more stronger version of Ambroxan. But the scent profile is very similar. So you'll get that beautiful woodiness here in this perfume. You will also get basil here, but basil here is very balanced. It's very subtle. It's just providing that aromatic, green, spicy touch. I was not able to detect any coconut here in this perfume in the beginning, but in my third or fourth wearing, I start getting very subtle nuances of coconut, but they're not overpowering. Once again, they're very balanced. So everything in this perfume is very well balanced. And then once the fragrance starts to develop, it becomes a little bit more green, it becomes a little bit more woody. Vetiver and minerals starts to shine a little bit more. You can say it starts with vibrato or a tigar in the beginning, and then towards the dry down, it becomes Bois Imperial, definitely with its own thing in this beautiful blend. So this is the vibe of the perfume and I'm really loving it. It's not a direct clone of anything, but it just gives you that kind of vibe of Tiger, Vibrato, Bois Imperial, and then they have added a lot of aromatics here. You will get that beautiful green note of basil, a lot of other exotic woods, so a lot of things, you know. So this was about the fragrance of the story from the house of Les Bonheur. And now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. First of all, performance. Performance is really great. Projection, lasting, everything is good. 8 to 10 hours easily. So performance is great here. For the gender, this is a masculine scent, but ladies, they can try it if they want. For age, there is no age barrier. Anyone can use it in any age. For the season or weather, this is a perfume you can use all year around. But for the best experience, use this perfume when the weather is a little bit hot. Otherwise, you can use this perfume whenever you want, wherever you want. And now let's talk about the occasion. So you can use this perfume in any scenario. On your date, in your gyms, in clubs, in parties, in wedding, in your office, school, college, whenever you want, wherever you want. This will rock. You will smell good, you will smell rich, you will smell unique, you will smell exotic. People around you will love your perfume. So this was about the other aspects of this perfume, and now let's talk about the pricing. So you will get this perfume in 100 ml quantity with this nice presentation. The bottle is very beautiful, and the current price of this perfume right now is like around 150 Saudi Riyal in Saudi Arabia. If you are living in UAE, it's available on Amazon, I think for the same price. I'm not sure, you can check it out, but I have ordered these perfumes from Saudi Arabia. So yeah, this was about Les Bonheur, the story, and a beautiful scent to rock in these summers. So this was about the house and about the perfume. I hope you liked it. Do let me know in the comments box if you have experienced anything from this house, or if you have experienced this perfume, do let me know. So this was for today. I'm going to catch you in my another review in another great product. Till then, just sent on, stay fragrant, and